Hello, children. Children, we always guard our valuables and things from thieves and try to keep them safe, isn't it? Today, Kahani Wali Nani is going to tell you a story as to how Tenali Raman of Vijayanagar not only prevents his valuables from being stolen, but also he makes the thieves work for him. And also he teaches the thieves a very good lesson. Listen, this is the story of long, long ago. In South India was the kingdom of Vijayanagar ruled by King Krishnadev Rai. One of his courtiers was poet Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was not only a poet, but he was very witty, clever, and could solve problems easily. King Krishnadev Rai was very pleased with his intelligence and sense of humor. He would often reward Tenali Raman. In those days, children, there were no banks or lockers like today. The people, where would they keep their valuables safe? They would keep them in their homes, or they would dig a hole in the courtyard and hide the valuables there to keep them safe. One day, Tenali Raman was sitting in the court along with other courtiers. Just then, King Krishnadev Rai said, "Nowadays, a lot of theft is going on in our kingdom. There are two notorious thieves who rob at night. We have tried a lot to catch them, but in vain. They are very smart. Something has to be done about them." And he looked at his courtiers. One of the courtiers said, "Maharaj, we should have guards moving whole night in the kingdom and they can catch the thieves." "Yes, we have done this already," Krishnadev Rai said. But were the thieves caught? No, they were too clever and Krishnadev Rai was very worried. "Tenali Raman, you are very intelligent and clever. I think you will certainly find some solution to this problem." "Okay, Maharaj, I will try," said Tenali Raman. One evening, just after sunset, Tenali Raman was walking home. "Oh, it is so late today and I didn't get time to water my plants today. I have to hurry up and do it." Tenali Raman had a big, beautiful garden, and he was so busy with the work of the kingdom that he would often miss watering them. So, children, as I was saying, Tenali Raman was taking big steps towards home. As Tenali Raman reached his home, he saw a shadow of two figures behind a tree in his garden. Tenali Raman stopped and then guessed, "Oh, thieves outside my house in the garden. They must have certainly come to rob me tonight." And then he thought for a while and smiled and pretended as if he had not seen the thieves while he was about to enter the house. He called out to his wife and she came out. "What's the matter?" Tenali Raman put his finger on his lips as if saying to be quiet. He continued to say, "Dear, there's a lot of robbery going on in our country, and so we have to be careful. See, I have decided." "What?" said his wife. "See, I have decided that we put all our valuables in a sack and throw it in the well. Nobody will ever think that we have kept all our valuables in the well and it would be safe. Come in and let us finish the job before dinner." And after some time, Tenali Raman took a sack, dragged it near the well, and he and his wife threw it in the well. Thud! A loud noise was there. The thieves heard this and became happy. "Wow, how lucky we are. We have not even to enter the house and search. We will get valuables so easily. People say this Tenali Raman is so smart and so intelligent, but see, we are smarter than him." "And yes," said the other thief. He was whispering, "Be quiet. After the lights will be off, we will take out the valuables." And Tenali Raman, as planned, after dinner he closed the main gate and put off all the lanterns. He peeped from a window facing the well and began snoring. Children, we snore while we are sleeping, but Tenali Raman was not sleeping. He was just snoring while he was awake. Hearing Tenali Ram's snoring, the thieves nodded to each other and came out of their hiding. They peeped in the well. Oh, there is water in the well. We have to take this water out because we do not know how to swim. And children, both the thieves began drawing water from the well and throwing it in the garden. In the meantime, Tenali Raman called the guards to wait outside the garden. Oh, there is so much water in the well. I am tired drawing it. I think we should rest for a while, said one of the thieves. And after some time, after taking some rest, both the thieves began drawing out water again. Again the thief said, Oh, I cannot do it anymore. I am fully exhausted. We will come again tomorrow night and finish the task and take out the valuables. And the other thief nodded and both of them proceeded towards the gate. Just then Tenali Raman, who was watching them, came out of his house and caught them. Hey, wait! Where are you both going? He caught them by the collar and said, We were on the lookout for you since many days and now you are finally caught. You both thought yourself smart, but I am smarter than you. I have fooled you. See, I did not put any valuables in the sack, but only stones. Yes, I not only caught you red-handed, but also made you work for me. Thanks for watering my plants. And now spend the rest of days in the jail. The thieves were so exhausted that they could not even utter a single word. And then Tenali Raman called out for the guards and asked them to take the robbers in jail. Oh, I have yet some time to sleep and snore. And this time Tenali Raman was really snoring in his sleep. The next day, Tenali Raman told the whole story to King Krishnadev Rai in the court. How he got his plants watered while catching the thieves. King Krishnadev Rai was very impressed and happy. Well done, Tenali Raman. You need to be rewarded for this. And he gave him a bag full of gold coins. So, children, how easily and intelligently Tenali Raman caught the thieves. So, children, how did you like this story? Do let me know with your likes and comments. And subscribe me and press the bell icon so that you never miss a new story from Kahani Wali Nani Sarla Minni. Meet you again next week with a new story. Till then, goodbye. Take care.